You know, when the Mavic Mini first came out, being that it was 249 grams, wasn't at the top of our list here of features in the United States. Well, for now, for some reason, it is. I got that coming up next. Hey everyone, Bill from BillTheDroneReviewer, where I make drone and drone related videos. If you're new here, consider hitting the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The feature set when the DJI Mavic Mini was officially announced was incredible. 2.7K video, 30 minutes of runtime, incredible portability, and 249 grams. Well, 249 grams didn't mean much here to us in the United States at the time, but it did to those in other countries because, for example, in Canada, you did not have to get a license or register your drone. All of that changed on December 26th when the FAA came up with their FAA Remote ID proposal. Now, let's go ahead and put the excerpt up on the screen regarding the 250 gram rule. We're on pages 150 and 151 of the proposal. According to proposed, the requirements of Subpart F would not apply to the following UAS unless they are intentionally designed or produced as standard remote identification UAS or limited remote identification UAS. And we'll go to the third bullet point where it says UAS where the unmanned aircraft weighs less than 0.55 pounds, including the weight of anything attached to or carried by the aircraft. The DJI Mavic Mini for me has been an absolutely incredible drone. Now, a couple items of note. Regarding this proposal, there is a comment period that will be open for 60 days, so I do encourage you to go ahead and take advantage of that. And the other item of note is this proposal will not go into effect for 2 to 3 years. Question of the day. What do you think of the DJI Mavic Mini now weighing 249 grams for those of you here in the United States? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.